The basics of using a Yorkshire blog. A blog provides you with a means to contribute content, typically but not limited to text, into a Yorkshare module. Blogs are most often used to facilitate online activity between you and fellow students and/or teaching staff by allowing you to make new posts into a blog and by providing commenting opportunities on other people's posts. You may be linked to a Yorkshare module's blogs page from a left menu item or from within a content area. This is a page showing all the blogs within the module that you currently have access to. If you are first linked to this page, you will then need to select a blog from the displayed list. You can also be linked directly into a blog from within a Yorkshare module's content area. Click the link provided to enter the blog. Once in a blog, you will see the most recent post at the top of the display, assuming any posts have been made in the blog. If a number of posts have been made in the blog, you will likely need to scroll down to the browser page to view older ones. If a post has comments attached to it, you will see the current count displayed in text at the bottom left of the post. To view the comments, click this text. This will cause the comments to open out below the post for you to read. To make a comment on a blog post, click the comment button at the bottom right of the post. An empty text entry field will open up below the blog post. Type your comment into this field and then click the Add button at the bottom right of the field to publish the comment. To create a new blog post, click the Create Blog Entry button at the top left of the blog. When you have clicked the Create Blog Entry button, the screen will refresh showing a form allowing you to enter a subject for your post and also to enter the content of your post. When you have prepared your post, click the Post Entry button to publish it to the blog. The blog will refresh, showing your new post at the top. Additional useful features of the blog are available in the column to the immediate right of the post list. The most notable of these is the View Entries by Filter. This allows you to filter the blog to only show those posts made by a particular contributor simply by clicking on their name.